Alright guys, let me show you my hack, which other people probably already know this, but these letters, instead of having to paint my letters, this gives you something new. This is wrapping paper. I put the wrapping paper on the wood and then I cut them out, and then all I gotta do is glue them on. You'll see in the video, but this is a good little hack, not only at Christmas time but other times. You can use so like this. I like this wrapping paper. I really like that. As you can tell, I got a bunch of stuff made with that. But you just put your wrapping paper on there and you cut it out. And quick, simple, makes neat little signs. We're selling these in the shop. Also, you can even do this with vinyl. This was metallic green. This is the brushed gold, or whatever you want to call it. That's the metal stuff. Now make sure you got good ventilation. Do your own research. I'm not an expert, but I've got a very good ventilation system, so when I'm cutting this, in case there's any kind of hazardous smells or anything, it's sucked out of the shop. But yeah, these didn't take no time to make. I mean, these boards, these are fence boards. All these are fence boards. And I just made some little easels for them to sit on. And there you go. That's my hack. And let me get on with the video and show you how I did these. Just laying these out on a board, and then I just marked it right here. I'm going to do six of this color scheme, so I'll mark it there. And I'll move these out of the way. And I'm going to put red in the back. So I'm going to cut a piece of this paper to fit right there and glue it on there. So I don't know if I can do this without getting all off camera. So let's see here. Let's cut it about right there. Oh, this wrapping paper's got the lines on the back of this. Is nice. This came from Wally World. That's about wide enough. And then we're going to put it right down through here. Over there. And it's nice wrap paper, and it costs a little bit more than your old cheap wrapping paper, but you get so many out of it. Alright, so next I'm going to do my 6 silver ones. Ain't got to be perfect here. You may want to use ribbon or something instead of the old hemp rope that I used. Also, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I mean, I can't believe anybody watches the videos, but you go, Kelly. That was Kelly over there. She had surgery today on her knee, so hopefully we're about to get her back in commission. Yeah, but we hit 1,000 subscribers. I mean, even my own family won't watch my videos, so I appreciate y'all watching. So, alright. So that's cut out. Now we're going to glue these 2 pieces on there. I can't spray it right here, so I'm going to step back here on the outside and spray the piece of wood and then put this on there. So let me go out and do that, and we'll be right back. I'm back from outside spraying this with the 77 3M adhesive. So now we just want to put this on there, smooth it out. Make sure it sticks good. And then let's go with the white here. Hasn't got to be perfect. Alright, there it is. Now I'm going to go back to the little laser room and we'll cut out some snowflakes. Okay, so I've got it on the laser bed. I've got it held down with our little laser tab holder thingy-majiggies. So got it sort of lined up here. Let's see, that looks a little square there. Let's put that on there. Make sure that's going to clear those. I'm not going to clear that one. I think I can get by with just clearing it. I'm not going to raise it too much. Alright. Let's add another one up there just for the fun of it. Make sure it's clearing it. I'll have to reline that. So I've got it laid down there. This is going to be the background of the ornament. So we're going to cut that first, 6 of those. Let me go over to the light burn and get it set up, and then we'll come back. I think we're good. So let me cut my exhaust fan on. Let me just remount that switch somewhere. So this is just cutting through the paper was my main goal with this first pass. There's one thing I do want to do is I'm going to add me a cut line. I'm going to cut this board right there. We'll do that after it finishes. Cut these out. Looks like they're all pretty much loose. Something should pop out. So I could have went a little slower. Alright. I'm going to create me a cut line here. Cut this. Hang on. Alright, so now let me just cut this board. Alright, we send it across there again. Alright, let's set it up now to cut the snowflakes that go on the top. Alright, there you go. Let's see what it looks like if we frame it. Gonna hit that tab. No, it didn't. Yeah, right on the edge. Let's do it one more time. Check this other side. I think we're good. Let's go with it. Exhaust fan is on. Let's check our settings. Start. This is going to take 14 minutes, so we'll let it cut and we'll come back. Stop it from cutting. I accidentally bumped the board. I wished I'd had that on video, but I'd stopped the video. So hopefully I've moved them around enough, and we'll go from there. Let's start again. Alright, we're through cutting. Let's see if they all pop out. No, I forgot to cut the little ones out. That's fine. Those stick in there good. That's what they're going to look like. I'll clean the rest of them up, and then we'll go over to the workbench. Alright guys, we're back from the laser cutter. So here's what we got. That's the red. That's the wrapping. You know, that's just plain old Wal-Mart wrapping paper. Gift wrapping paper. So this is what they're going to look like. Don't know if the camera does it justice. Those are very pretty. This video is not so much about making the ornaments. It's more I wanted to show you what you could do, get you thinking. You know, that's what I like to do, is get you thinking about other ideals. And not only for these Christmas ornaments, I got to glue these up. How I'm going to glue those is I'll just use this and I'll spray the back. I could have done the double-sided tape, but that's a lot of picking sometimes. But yeah, I'll just lay these face down and hit them with a little bit of spray, and then flip them over there, and that'll hold. But just think of all the other things you could do with this besides ornaments. You know, if you're making other crafts later in the year, you could buy other kind of gift papers. But you know, this is just plain Walmart gift wrap. I really like these two colors here. That's why I just made these out of. But these are all the different colors, just plain full gift wrap. And all, you know, there's just multiple. I like the foils. You can do regular paper like this. But yeah, so I'll probably end up using all this on different projects. I'm going to do a bunch of these little trees. I got to do some more ornaments. And there you go. It gets you thinking outside the box and gives you some other ideas for your projects on what you can do. Thanks for watching and just liking and subscribing. Like I think I said in this video, I don't know if I did or not, but we hit 1,000 subscribers. I am really shocked and very happy about that. So that's one just painted squirrel. But there you go. Please like and subscribe, and thanks again for watching the video.